dedicating the first fire safety educational van in the state, and this has happened only with the our Honorable Chief Minister Shri Manohar Parrikar ji, who has approved this fire safety educational van in the last financial year. This educational van, which as you are aware that the Directorate of Fire and Emergency Services is undertaking various training programs at the educational institution level, at the village panchayat level and at the industry level. So what we'll be doing now, this safety van, fire safety educational van will go to every panchayat and train the citizens in each panchayat in disaster preparedness and basic fire safety. The government of Goa also is keen to build the capacities at the village panchayat level. So this will be a first thing to make it mobile. So we don't want the citizens to come to us. So we will be going there. That is our first approach. And second, we will be also going to various colonies, the residential colonies, and sharing and also training them in basic home safety. That means the LPG safety and the high-rise buildings also where they have the fire protection measures. We will be training them how to actually operate the fire extinguishers, which is the basic in fire safety. So, and the other part of this educational van is we are also having the breathing apparatus set compressors. So usually what happened, we used to have to fill the BA sets, that is the self-contained breathing apparatus sets, either at our station or we have a portable one. So this van will also act as a dual purpose to go to the site and then do the filling part. In the case of ammonia leakage, you have seen that we need to wear our self-contained breathing apparatus. So this filling station will also be a mobile one. And the third part is we are having a CCTV camera fitted on this vehicle. In major disasters, this vehicle will be stationed at that point to capture all the events which is happening at that place and relaying into our computers here in the van. This can also be a command van that people can sit and discuss what next step we should do. And after relaying that incident on the laptop, it can be also sent to the district, connected to the district disaster management authority and also to our control room. So this is a multi-purpose fire safety educational van. The officers at different fire stations in their area have identified the talukas and they are going on their own. Now that same thing, the vehicle will go to that place and the officer of that area will accompany this fire safety education.
In 1 month, how many drills are done?
Now that we will I cannot tell you as of now, but we already planned, and hopefully that we'll take a baby step first and then ensure that the citizens are trained. You have seen the various aspects. There are different types of ropes and knots and lines which we will be training them. The fire extinguisher is there. Then you have the LED screen. Now this will be actually if you want to go to the market, if you want to show them what is the audiovisual of basic fire safety. So this LED screen can help us in sharing this.
You went to the villages to teach them. What is the response from the Goan villages?
It's quite good. We are happy that people are responding to this training program. And with this van going, I think there will be more attraction for people to come and then see the educational van, and then we train them in the various aspects of